Cybersecurity is the #1 challenge facing organisations today. So we've developed a 3-step approach to give you the most effective assurance and insurance against attack. Starting with a cybersecurity assessment that includes vulnerability scans and penetration testing. We look across your entire operating environment to see exactly where your threats and vulnerabilities are. Our cybersecurity consultants can then craft a tailored cybersecurity roadmap that's guided by the CIS controls to deliver the outcome you need over an agreed timeframe. Then, with your cybersecurity strategy in place, we can set you up with your cyber insurance at the best possible premium. And with the average cost per cyber crime being $88,000 for Australian mid-sized businesses, it's definitely worth the investment. And there you have it, the most effective assurance and insurance against cyber attack in 3 straightforward steps. For further reading, please click on the links below or just contact us today to book your cybersecurity assessment.